People buy the wrong version of DCX27 SUK SES 100pcs/lot Schmetz industrial sewing machine needles Canu 03:361 B-27 UI191 GS DCX27 SUK SES my 102390/14 all the time. Here's how to avoid that. When this category is done right, it feels premium enough for the price point. If you're comparing listings, look for clear photos and specs, not just marketing words. If you're between two variants, buyer photos usually make the difference. Check those first. Check the listing today's deal section, sometimes there's a quick discount available. To avoid surprises, confirm the variant, double-check measurements, then scan the newest reviews. If you're unsure, reviews usually reveal which variant people prefer. Link in the description, see what's available today. So if DCX27 SUK SES 100pcs/lot Schmetz industrial sewing machine needles Canu 03:361 B-27 UI191 GS DCX27 SUK SES my 102390/14 is on your list, take a second to pick the right option and verify the details. If you pick the right option, it can be a really satisfying purchase.